Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Now, if you true to this and not new to this, welcome back. So, it's the summertime. I told you I got all the cocktails for you. And if you know me, when it comes to a drink, you know I'm gonna have one. And I got one for y'all today. It's my strawberry lemonade spritzer, because everybody's into spritzers. It's got cognac, it's got a strawberry simple syrup that I'll show y'all how to make. I'll give you the recipe. So if you want more cocktails like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those notifications, because how else you gonna know when I upload a new cocktail recipe. And make sure that you comment and like the videos and share them with your friends and your family too. So let's go ahead and shake this cocktail. All right, y'all, let's get into this strawberry lemonade spritzer. It's a spritzer, but it packs a punch because it contains about 1.5 ounces of cognac. And then after the cognac, we're gonna add fresh lemon juice. So take the juice of half of a lemon, not store-bought lemon juice. Get you a fresh lemon, it makes all the difference. Then we're gonna brighten it up with this Saint Germain, about 1/2 ounce. This is an Elderflower liqueur. Ooh, it is so good. And then the strawberry, can't forget the strawberry lemonade spritzer, right? This is my strawberry simple syrup. I'm gonna have the recipe for this down in the description for you. And then you just gonna shake all that up on ice, and then you're gonna pour it over ice too, right? So we said it was a spritzer, so that means you need some bubbles. So go right on top of everything with some sparkling rosé, cause hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. I want you to garnish this drink. I tell you, you gotta garnish everything to make it pretty. So we're gonna go on the side with a little fresh strawberry. And look, I think it's some room in there to add some more rosé. So add some more of that rosé. I want a full drink, I don't want a half drink. So I want y'all to look at season 3 of my cooking show, episode 2, and watch what we pair this cocktail with. Some orange and ginger glazed lamb chops. Oh, this is a perfect end of summer cocktail. Thank y'all for watching this video. Remember to comment, remember to like the videos, subscribe to my channel too, and turn on your notifications, because I don't want y'all to miss not one video upload. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.